The new MacBook Air featuring Apple's M4 chip marks a significant step forward in the evolution of the MacBook lineup. It builds on the strengths of previous models while introducing substantial upgrades in both performance and user experience. Following the launch of the latest iPads, the spotlight now turns to the MacBook Air M4, which highlights Apple's advancements in chip technology and user-focused design improvements. This version of the MacBook Air offers an appealing blend of power and portability. It's an attractive option for first-time buyers and those upgrading from older MacBooks. Not only does it come with improved performance and advanced AI capabilities, but it also retains Apple's sleek design aesthetic, all at a more accessible price point compared to earlier models. Available in both 13.6-inch and 15.3-inch sizes, the MacBook Air M4 gives users options depending on their screen size preference. Each model features a bright 500-nit display with a wide P3 color gamut and 10-bit color depth, ensuring vibrant and color-accurate visuals. These displays are ideal for content creators, designers, and anyone who values high-quality visuals. True Tone technology also adjusts the display based on ambient lighting, providing a more natural viewing experience in various environments. Under the hood, the most exciting upgrade is the M4 chip itself. Built with a 10-core CPU and an up to 10-core GPU, it delivers impressive performance gains across the board. Whether you're handling everyday tasks or diving into demanding creative projects like video editing and 3D rendering, this MacBook Air keeps up with ease. Multitasking is smooth, and the device remains responsive even with heavy workloads, thanks in part to the generous 32 GB of unified memory. Another standout addition is Apple Intelligence, a suite of AI-driven features built directly into the device. These tools are designed to streamline workflows and enhance creativity while keeping data processing on the device to maintain privacy. Features like smart replies, email summaries, photo cleanup, and creative tools like Image Playground and Gemoji make day-to-day tasks quicker and more enjoyable. The front-facing camera also receives a major upgrade. With a 1:1 sensor and features like center stage to keep you in frame and desk view for a top-down look at your workspace, it's now better suited for video calls, content creation, and online meetings. In terms of connectivity, the device is well equipped. It features two Thunderbolt 4 ports for fast data transfers and compatibility with external displays and accessories. Unlike older models, the MacBook Air M4 supports up to 2 external 6K displays, offering more flexibility for multitasking and complex workflows. MagSafe charging also makes a return, providing a safer and more convenient charging experience. Pricing is competitive, with the 13-inch model starting at $999 and the 15-inch variant at $1,199. Pre-orders are already available, with shipping beginning on March 12th. All in all, the MacBook Air M4 offers a powerful combination of design, performance, and smart features that cater to a wide range of users, from students to professionals and creatives.